Hello, how you doing? Here again. Today I'm drinking and reviewing my kidney bean wine. You may have remembered a while back, well, last year it was, I made some red kidney bean wine. It took ages to ferment, this stuff did. It was there, bubbling away, bubbling, fermenting. I could not get it to stop. I was very reluctant to add anything to make it stop because, well, I don't like adding chemicals to anything. So I let it ferment all the way out until it came to a natural stop. Then I left it a few months, and a few more months. I didn't want to try it. So these things turned into wine. I had some last night. It's not my favourite. Not by a long shot. You know that saying that some things you shouldn't ferment? Well, I think red kidney beans are up there in the potential list of things you shouldn't try to make wine from. It was rather type of wine. Give you that nervous twitch. A while back when I was in the army, we had ration packs containing a powdered yellow, orangey yellow lemony drink. It would come in a sachet, you'd add boiling water to it, and it was called Screech. Well, this wine is very similar to that stuff. It tastes so acidic, so it really gets you in the back of the nose, back of the throat. It makes you screech. Anyway, let's pour some. Try some. Ready? Come on then. It was an experiment. I thought I would make it up. Let's pour some and see how it goes. And, you know, in the name of science, I have to try. I have to have a drink. So, come on. Right, well, as you can see, colour-wise, it's still rather murky. I've tried to clear it. I've tried to wait, give it time, and to be honest, it's not going to get much better than this. You can probably tell I'm trying to not drink it. I had some last night. So, for the name of science, I had better try some. Anyway, right then, here it goes. A Roman walks into a bar and orders 5 beers. Sorry, bad joke. You know Dee is pregnant. Well, I've been practicing my jokes ready for when she's in labour. I think I need a word on the delivery. Cheers. It's not bad. I mean, it's not bad. It's not spit it out. Ew, never again. It's, you swallow some and then say never again. A few sips of the red kidney bean wine is about all I would really want to have. It's very acidic. It doesn't carry much flavour to it. You'd probably have more flavour in some rotten horse manure than the red kidney bean wine. So, I'm going to leave this here now. I said I'd do a review of it, and my honest opinion is, don't bother trying it. It's not a good wine. It's not a nice wine. It's not a wine I would want to drink, and that's saying something. The next wine I'm going to be reviewing is my slow-cooked Gorse flower wine. That's finishing off now, and won't be too far off, so why don't you subscribe and stay tuned for updates about that wine. Have a good day, you. Yeah. Nah, not for me.